Welcome to MATLAB Lesson 17, where we'll explore an essential skill for any serious programmer: file saving and loading. Data persistence is crucial in programming. We need a way to keep our work, even after we close MATLAB. This lesson focuses on the core functions to achieve this. The hook for today is simple: data persistence, save and load. This is how you manage your data between sessions. Why is saving and loading data so essential? It ensures your hard-earned variables, matrices, and settings are preserved for future use and for sharing with others. Let's start with how to save your data in MATLAB. The primary function we'll use is "save." For a quick demo, we'll save our current workspace by typing save workspace.mat. The syntax is straightforward. Call save, followed by the desired file name. By default, this creates a .mat file. MAT files are MATLAB's binary format. They are highly efficient for storing and retrieving large amounts of data, preserving all the variable details you've worked so hard on. Now let's look at the reverse process: loading your saved data. To bring our data back, we use the load function. Using our previous example, we simply type load workspace.mat to restore all the variables. The load syntax mirrors save, call load, followed by the mat file name. This injects the stored variables directly into your current workspace. You don't always need everything. You can load specific variables from a mat file to manage memory and workspace clutter effectively. Beyond just raw data, often you need to share your visualizations. Let's cover exporting figures. When you have a figure generated, you can use the "save as" command or the export option in the figure window to save it. For instance, to save a figure, you might use save as GCF myfigure.png. MATLAB supports many formats, including the editable .fig format, standard image formats like .png, and high-quality options like .pdf for publication and reports. We've covered the fundamentals of preserving and sharing your MATLAB work through saving and loading data and figures. Remember, MAT files are fast for data. Master the save and load functions, and you'll greatly improve your workflow. Time to switch and implement this. Join us for the next lesson, where we'll delve into more advanced data manipulation techniques. Keep practicing and happy coding.